Hello everyone, today we will learn how to install MySQL. For this, here we have opened a Chrome tab, and in this Chrome tab I have typed MySQL download. After entering, you can see many links have opened. You can click on any of the link, but preferably I would like to click on Softonic or FileHippo. These two are the best links available to download any of the software. So let me click on FileHippo. I am clicking on it. It will take you to the another window. Here you can see download latest version. Click on this. This is an ad, we can cross it, and you can see the downloading has started. Right here the downloading has started. As I have kept it all in already installed, you can see the installer is here. So the installer you will get in the downloads of your system, right? Double click on the installer which you have installed, click on yes, then processing will be carried on. It will show this window. Here by default first link already selected, let it be selected and click on next. Now from here again next, yes, then from out of these we would like to work with Python, as in our syllabus Python is there, right? Next, here we will click on yes. Now you will see this window. Here you will click on execute. After clicking on execute, you can see one by one these all softwares, these all connectors, routers, server, whatever the requirement of the software is there, that will start downloading and installing too. You will see that everywhere a complete word will be written, right? So we have to wait for few seconds, as when it will be done then we will continue for next. We can see downloading and few are downloaded, right? Those which are downloaded, now they will be installed, right? We have to wait. Now you can see that few are downloaded, few are installing, and few are complete. So we have to wait until all are completed, right? Now you can see that all options are complete now. It has taken almost 10 to 15 minutes of mine with full speed net, right? So you have to be careful about the net speed while installing the MySQL. Now we'll click on next option. After clicking on next, it will start configuring. We'll click on next only. Now again next. Now it is showing you the port on which the SQL will be installed. You have to do nothing here, just click on next, again next. Here it will ask you the password, right? The password which every time whenever you will start SQL, it will ask for that. So by default in school also I used to keep 1 2 3 4, right? I have clicked on check. It's checking. It's taking time. Yes, it's right. After checking, this tick will be there. Then click on next and again next, and now execute. Click on execute. You can see these all options one by one, the tick will be there on every option. When it will be done, it means SQL is ready. We have to wait only. It's done. Now finish. Right after clicking on finish, again we are seeing next, means one by one इन तीनों के लिए same process करेगा. Finish. Right, again next. Now password, again it is asking. Username root ही रखा है हमने, we have not changed it. And then 1 2 3 4, again check, टिक आ गया. Now next. Right, now configuration steps, checking if there are any feature installed that need configuration or running script. We'll just click on execute. Right, now it's execute. You can see tick on one we have got tick, and for another we are still waiting. And look, in the full speed net it's taking that much time. After completion of this option, execute will be enabled, and then we will click on this finish. We will get finish here. Now we can see that on both the option tick I have got, and again 5 minutes it has taken. And at last click on finish, again next, and finish. After finishing, this window automatically has opened, and I'll close it, and now I'll show you how to open these windows. Automatically these are opening. Okay, अब how to open? Click on start, and with keyboard I am typing MySQL. Right, जैसे ही मैंने टाइप किया, I am getting this. You have to open this option, MySQL command line client. Right, click on this, and here you are getting enter password. कौन सा password हमें याद रखना है while installing MySQL? Which password we have used? We have used 1 2 3 4, and press enter. It is showing the information regarding the version you have installed in MySQL, and this is the prompt of MySQL where we are going to install we are going to type the commands. This is how we can install the MySQL. Right, commands will do in next video.